should you get a puppy? Well, I'll tick off the things I've enjoyed and have been hard for me with having a dog. First, I'll do the things I've enjoyed. Number 1, I've enjoyed how he brings happiness and smiles and more laughter into the house. Number 2, he's helpful with anger, and I can come to him when I'm getting mad at Lily or someone else per se. Number 3, he is a really good, or she, a new family member in the house, and it's fun to have a new family member. It was really fun. He teaches us things like how to be patient, how to not repeat over and over, and other things like that. Lily, are there some things you've enjoyed about having a dog that you want to share?
Just him.
Just him. The things that have been hard for me while having a dog. 1, if you have friend animals like birds, squirrels, or deer that you are really attached to, you'll have to learn how to forgive the dog if he eats one. I've had experience with that, let's just say. He can be annoying sometimes when he's jumping all over us when we're trying to just read a book nicely, or he could, like if I tell him to down or something when we really need him to and he doesn't do it, it can get really annoying. Lily, are there any things that you have that have been hard for you while having a dog, a puppy? No. If the kids have toys that are really important to them and the dog rips one up, it's going to be very hard for them. Well, if you're up for a challenge, then I think you should get a puppy. But if you're really attached to some of the animals and you're not really up for a big challenge like that, then I don't think a puppy would work. It's a lot of work, but also it can be fun. If you're thinking of getting a puppy, it's important to weigh those pros and cons and be prepared for a big adventure. If you would like to help me and my family make these videos, you can become a patron on Patreon or PayPal.
Thank you.